Hello, Assalamu alaikum students of class 6. This is Mathematics D1, exercise 7a, book page number 161, and topic is number sequences. Question number 2. I have already done part A of the question number 2. Sorry, this is part B. If you have the book available nearby you, you can open the book page number 161. Even if the book isn't available, then no worry, everything is written in front of you. You just need to have a peace of mind to understand my video. So first number is 47, next is 38, next is 30, next is 23, and next is 17. That's mean there is a kind of decrease in between numbers. How much gap is between 47 and 38? If we subtract 38 from 47, we get 9. So here is the gap of 9. So that's mean not minus 9. If we subtract 9 from 47, we shall get 38. Then if we subtract 30 from 38, we will be able to see how much gap is in between 38 and 30. What I just said, if we subtract 30 from 38, we shall be able to see how much gap is in between both of these. Of course, it is quite visible, it is quite prominent that between 38 and 30, there is a gap of 8. There is the gap of 8. That's mean if we have to come from 38 to 30, we have to subtract 8. We have to subtract 8. So in this question, there was a kind of decrease in between numbers. We noticed the decrease and we started writing the negative sign in the place of the gaps, which is in between the numbers. And now let's see what is the kind of gap between 30 and 23. We know that 23 is less number than 30. 3 is short than 30. So that means there was something which got subtracted from 30. So that's why we got 23. How much gap is in between them, 30 and 23? Of course, there is the 7 gap in between them. So that's mean if we subtract 7 from 30, we shall be able to get 23. All right, till here. So we have noticed that gaps in between them is like minus 9, minus 8, minus 7. Then we can understand by this kind of gap, the next gap would be minus 6. And of course, it is minus 6. If we subtract if we subtract 6 from 23, then of course the answer will be 17. What I just said, if we subtract 6 from 23, we shall be able to get 17. Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. Then, of course, the next gap will be minus 5. So that means we are reducing numbers by these kinds of gaps. Minus 5. If we subtract 5 from 17, what shall we get? We shall get 12. What I just said, if we subtract 5 from 17, what we shall get? We shall get 12. And if we further reduce 4 from 12, how much we shall get? We shall get 8. So the question has been completed. The demands of the question has been fulfilled. We have to find just next two terms. And even if we have to find the further terms, after 4, there will be the gap of minus 3. There will be the gap of there will be the reduction of 3 from 8, and we shall get the third term from the end. Third term from the end, we shall get 8 minus 3 will be 5. And we are not supposed to get 5, so we don't need to write 5 here. And if we have to further go on, if the question demands you to write 4 terms in the end, then how much you will subtract here? After minus 3, there will be the gap of minus 2. And from 5 minus 2, you shall get 3. So I have written the maximum terms which we can get if we have ever been asked some different kinds of questions. But your question was completed till here. You don't need to write till here. Your question was completed till here. So I have tried to manage the rule of the gap which is found in between the numbers. The numbers are getting decreased by 9, 8, 7, 6 and so on. Okay student, thank you for watching my video and keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are a first time viewer. Thank you.